What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Can you place the digits 1 through 9 in the following squares such that every equation is true? Each digit can only be used once. And what you see is we have 3 equations going left to right, boom, boom, and boom, and then as well 3 more equations going up and down. And once again, 1 through 9 only used once. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So the first thing I've got up here is we've got a running count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because again, once we use a number, it is gone. Now, the way that I'm gonna approach this is I'm gonna start by looking at this top equation, right? So to get 49, we've got only a few different options. We've got plus a product, right? And we're gonna do that product first. So how can we get to 49? Well, what are the possible products that get us close enough? Well, we can do 5 times 8, which is 40, and then we'd need a 9 over here. Another option is we could do 6 times 7, 42 plus 7. The problem with that is we have to use 7 twice, so that's not an option. We could do 45 plus 4. 45 is, of course, 9 times 5. And last but not least, we could do 48, right? 6 times 8 is 48 plus 1. Now, the problem with 40 and having 9 over here is we're trying to get to 9 right here. So I can't do 9 times something plus something and get to 9. So that means this option is out. Now we're down to one of these 2 options. So we're gonna arbitrarily start with 1 times 48. But again, if that doesn't work, we just go back to 4 times 45 and try these different variations. So if we assume we're gonna have 1 here, in order to get to 9, we've got some different options. 1 times 2 plus 7, 1 times 3 plus 6, etc. Now going this way, we know we have 6 times 8 or 8 times 6. Let's roll with 6 times 8. And again, we can change it up if these don't work. Now looking at this equation here, we're trying to get to 18. So what that means is 8 times something needs to be a multiple of 18 because we're doing division at the end. So the only number that we can put in here would be 8 times 9. That gives us 72. 72 divided by 4 actually works out to 18. So this looks like a viable possibility. Now the remaining options, right, to get to 9, 3 and 5 aren't going to work. 1 times 3 plus 5 is going to give me 8. But what we do have is 2 and 7. 1 times 2 plus 7 gives me 9, or 1 times 7 plus 2 gives me 9. So we got 2 or 7 in these 2 spots. The problem with 7 would be 7 plus 9 would already give me 16. So we couldn't have anything here. That means this has to be 2. This has to be 7. 2 plus 9 is 11. So that means this spot has to be 5. And last but not least, this bottom spot has to be 3. Now we'll just verify. 6 times 5 is 30 divided by 3 is 10. 7 minus 3 is 4 plus 4 is indeed 8. As I already mentioned, 2 plus 5 plus 9 is 16. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.